In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to Google Drive. Whether you're trying to access your files from multiple devices or share them with others, Google Drive provides a simple and effective way to do just that. Let's walk through the process together so you can upload your files effortlessly. First things first, we need to head over to drive.google.com. This is the main page of Google Drive and serves as your digital storage hub. If you're not already signed in, Google will prompt you to enter your account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account if you have more than one. Once you're on the main page, take a look at the top left corner. You'll see a big button labeled New. This is your gateway to adding files to your Google Drive. Click on that new button to proceed to the next step. Here you'll be faced with a few options. For our purposes, focus on either file upload or folder upload. If you're looking to upload a single or multiple selected files, file upload is the way to go. But if you have a whole folder you want to add, maybe with various types of files sorted inside, choose folder upload. Once you make your choice, a File Explorer window will pop up from your computer. This is where you can navigate through your folders to locate the exact files or folders you're aiming to upload. Take your time to double check that you've got the right items. Once you're certain, click Open. This will kick off the upload process. Now there's an even faster way if your browser supports it, which many modern browsers do. You can simply drag and drop files directly into your Google Drive window. This method is especially handy if you only have a few files to move over and want to skip a couple of clicks. As the files upload, you might notice a small status bar in the bottom right corner of the screen. This keeps you updated on the progress of your upload. Larger files and folders with a lot of items will naturally take a bit longer to upload, so a little patience is sometimes required. There you have it. Now you know how to add files to Google Drive. It's a straightforward process, but mastering it can definitely save you a lot of time and make accessing your files so much easier. Enjoy the convenience of having all your important documents easily accessible anytime, anywhere. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more handy digital tips.